Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment, your favorite YouTube channel. I've got an interesting gist for you today on the Ultimate Love Show. Rosie just shocked us all. She reveals that she has two kids from two different men. Ultimate Love single mother Rosie confesses to partner Kachi. Falling in love is one of the most exciting, rewarding and scariest things you could ever do. Once you are in love with someone, it is hard to remember how you lived without him or her. It can feel as if you didn't really start living until the two of you met. But sometimes it can be difficult to discern whether your emotion reaction is powered by lust or love. In this particular circumstance, it can be helpful if there were a few definitive ways to tell you are in love. Some set of people are generating the current for love even though their connection is yet to get the definite definition, as their emotions, though encouraging, have been tagged elementary. Confession is part of love, and that not only leaves someone out of unnecessary pressure but also free one away from guilty conscience. One of the most talked about couples in the love pad, Roksie, are in the debate once again, as Rosie finally opened up more about her love life to Kachi. Everyone knows that Rosie is a teacher, a 36-year-old single mother from Ogun State, but she is more than just that. In her recent revelation, Rosie confessed to Kachi that she is the mother of two children, and the first relationship was so abusive that the father of the child separated Rosie from her baby after 4 months of delivery. Rosie doesn't want Kachi to find out more about her in the future, shocking Kachi and Nigerians in the process. Oh man, this is getting really intense. I hope these guys will be able to come to an agreement and just stay together. This is really shocking. I thought Rosie had just one child, but now she's revealed to us that she has two children from two different men. God help us. Okay guys, if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications.